Hello, I'm Assistant District Attorney Darren Allemand. Among my duties at the Jefferson Parish DA's office, I have the honor and privilege of assisting our District Attorney Paul Connick with putting together our package of legislation every year. In Jefferson Parish, we have been blessed with many resources, and because we believe that those blessed with much have an obligation to work that much harder to give back to our communities, we are very active each year in putting forth legislation to improve our criminal justice system. One bill I would like to talk to you about today is House Bill 33, which became Act 142 when our governor signed it into law. This bill deals with prescription, or as it's more commonly known, and as I'll call it for this chat, the statute of limitations for crimes against children. As it means here, the statute of limitations governs how long we prosecutors have to bring charges after someone commits a crime. Louisiana already has excellent and very protective laws on the statute of limitations for sexual abuse and sexual assault. Louisiana law provides that for any crime punished by death, any crime punished by life in prison, which includes first-degree or aggravated rape, and for the crime of second-degree or forcible rape, there is no statute of limitations. That clock never expires. For other sex crimes, Louisiana law gives us extended time when DNA evidence establishes the identity of the assailant. For other sex crimes that are committed against children, Louisiana law gives us 30 years from when the victim turns 18. This reflects the tragic reality of just how common delayed disclosures are in sexual abuse and sexual assault cases, and that we should not be prevented from prosecuting these horrible crimes just because a victim is too scared or too embarrassed to come forward right away. Act 142 takes a similar approach for serious physical but non-sexual acts of child abuse or other crimes against children. It changes the law to provide that for the crime of cruelty to juveniles or for any felony crime of violence committed against a juvenile, the statute of limitations does not start to run until the victim turns 18 unless a longer statute of limitations applies, such as the one already existing for sex crimes. This bill is particularly important because physical abuse often goes hand in hand with sexual abuse. It's often layered together as part of the cycle of control over the victim. We see plenty of horrific delayed disclosure sexual abuse cases where the child is also physically abused and has delayed in disclosing the physical abuse, and while the law usually allows us to prosecute the sexual abuse, sometimes we're out of time on the physical abuse. This bill fixes that. We would like to thank all of the hardworking men and women in our legislature. Special thanks go out to Representative Joe Stagney for putting forth this bill for us, and to Senator Kirk Talbot for his assistance when this bill reached the Senate. Thank you for watching, and we're all honored to serve you.